channel just getting started. Packs won't diminish video games and movies. Hurry up. Come on, let's play to the finish. I'm the one, the only. Yes, you got it right. I'm Unboxing Chicken. Thank you for joining me today and also taking the time out of your busy day to watch my videos. I greatly appreciate you. And I would like to give a shout out to those who just subscribed to the channel. I greatly appreciate you also. Today, I have Boss Baby. Let's get into this. Alec Baldwin, The DreamWorks, Boss Baby, Family Business. Include all new short, 4K Ultra HD, Blu-ray, and digital code. There you go, the front of the cover. 4 times sharper than Full HD with high dynamic range for brighter, deeper, more lifelike colors. How many Boss Babies can one family hold? He may be a big shot money man now, but Tim Templeton, flashback to his Boss Baby past when he and his brother Tim renewed their rivalry and make a shocking discovery. Turns out Tim's infant daughter, Tina, inherited Uncle Tim's job as an undercover baby corp agent. She's on a secret mission to stop an evil plan to turn babies into brats. And she needs both brothers to help. Ted and Tim now have to turn back into kids for hilariously outrageous adventure that reminds them of the true power of family. Then 4K Ultra HD and Blu-ray. Bonus features, all new original short. Precious Templeton, a ponytail, plus Never Grow Up. The big babies behind that bonus, the Boss Baby, the big babies behind the Boss Baby, Family Business, Boss Baby Art Class, How to Draw, and then you got Together We Stand, lyric, video, and more. 4K disc include all new bonus features and 4K resolution. And there's the back of the cover. Let's crack this open and see what's inside. And I'm gonna post this code on Monday, this coming Monday, in the description down below. And I'll have all the details about that also in the description down below. Monday at 6 p.m. This movie will be, the code will be posted. Okay. You got the Boss Baby 4K Ultra HD disc. There you go. And then the Boss Baby Family Business on Blu-ray. And you can actually see through this disc. There you go. Remember, always remember, don't sell yourself short in life. Take it to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.